10 tips to naturally regrow your hair. Hair is our crown, therefore it is normal to desire to improve the current situation of your hair. This video will show you ways to grow your hair the most effective way possible. 1. Massage. Research has shown that massaging your scalp can help with restoring hair growth and can be used simultaneously with hair oils and hair treatments. This can also help with improving the thickness of the hair. Taking time each day to massage the scalp will also help with decreasing tension and stress you might have. 2. Water. It is recommended that a person should drink a minimum of 2 liters a day. Water has many benefits. For example, it helps with hair growth and hair strength. When hair is dehydrated, hair growth can be halted immediately. Drinking water also helps with problems like dandruff because the roots are hydrated. 3. Aloe vera. It has many uses, but it can be used to treat hair loss and also soothe the scalp. Aloe vera does this by reducing dandruff and help the hair follicles that might be overloading with excess oils. It can be used by applying to hair and scalp a couple of times a week. There are also shampoo and conditioner which consist of aloe vera. 4. Coconut oil. Research has shown that coconut oil contains fatty acids which penetrates inside the hair shaft and which helps with reducing protein loss from the hair. Coconut oil can be used by applying it before or after you wash. If you have oily hair, then use it as a leave-in treatment overnight or for a couple of hours by massaging the oil into the scalp and all over the hair before you wash it. If you have dry hair, then coconut oil can be used as a leave-in treatment. 4. Viviscal. Viviscal is a natural hair growth supplement which helps with hair growth and hair which is thinning. Viviscal has a marine complex well known as amino C. This contains minerals, vitamins, and shark and mollusk powder. These ingredients helps with strengthening cells plus regrow old cells. In order to see results, the pills would need to be taken twice a day for around 6 months. There are also Viviscal shampoo and conditioner available. 5. Fish oil. Including omega fatty acids in your diet can help to improve your hair from the inside, this because they have a good level of nutrients and proteins. Consuming omega supplement and antioxidants can develop the hair density, diameter and help reduce hair loss. 6. Ginseng. Ginseng can help with promoting hair growth by stimulating hair follicles. Ginsenosides are the active components of ginseng, and research has shown it is responsible for its positive effect on hair. However, take the recommended amount and be aware of any side effects. 7. Onion juice. If you are brave enough to handle the smell, then onion juice might be for you. Research has shown that it can help with growing hair with people with alopecia. It does this by improving the circulation. The method of using onion juice is by blending a couple of onions and applying to your hair and scalp for roughly 15 minutes. Afterwards, shampoo your hair the usual way. 8. Rosemary oil. Rosemary is a common essential oils people like to use. This is because it helps with promoting hair growth and reducing hair loss. Research has shown that rosemary oil stimulates new hair growth and can be used to treat conditions like androgenetic alopecia. Ways of using rosemary oil is to use a couple of drops with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it into the scalp and hair, then rinse off. Rosemary oil can be used a couple of times a week or add a couple of drops into your own shampoo or conditioner. Please do not use essential oils directly on the skin, but mix them in a carrier oil or shampoo. 9. Rice water. Research has shown that rice water contains inositol. which is an ingredient that helps to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. How to make it? First, rinse and strain the rice. This helps to remove any dirt or impurities. Mix the strained rice in a medium-sized bowl with the water. You should mix until the water becomes pretty cloudy. Strain the rice, this time reserving the water. Store the rice for later, or use it up. Put the rice water in a plastic container and cover it. Let the rice water sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. This allows it to ferment, help the vitamins and minerals to come out. Tip: don't let it sit outside the refrigerate for over 24 hours. Refrigerate the rice water until you're ready to use it. Fill the rice water into a small container, like a travel-sized shampoo bottle or spray bottle. When applying the rice water, focus on your scalp and work your way out to the ends. Allow the rice water to sit 15 to 30 minutes with a shower cap on, then afterwards rinse the hair. 10. Lemon. Both fresh lemon juice or lemon oil can be used because they can both enhance the quality and growth of the hair. Research has shown that it helps with keeping a healthy scalp and also encourage hair growth. Apply fresh lemon juice to your scalp and hair 15 minutes before you shampoo. You can use lemon essential oil diluted in a carrier oil as a hair mask. Final point. If you want to improve your hair, come up with a hair plan and be consistent. Please remember that these treatments may take a few months to notice results, therefore take a before and after photo